All right, you can see our truck out there. We made it here to Sikeston, Missouri on our way back to Illinois after stopping in Paragould, Arkansas to take out some equipment. I'm really excited about this because we are going to get to go to Lambert's Cafe. It's a famous restaurant. They throw the rolls at you. Every time I come through Sikeston, I try to stop here. I've only been here like 3 times in my life, and my nephews have never been here, so it will be a new and cool experience for them as well.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper that sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
Getting so full right now. My plate is barely clean though. But hey, we're at Lambert's. You gotta find room for it because I don't get to come down here very much. I've only been down here like 3 times in my whole life. How was the barbecue sandwich, Will?
It's on.
That means it's good. So this is their fried okra. It's really good. And it is definitely one of my favorite things that they bring around. Dip it in a little ketchup. Oh yeah. Could I get both of it?
You sure
Perfect. What's really cool is they bring all of those sides to you. That's just the apple butter and the sorghum. Sure, I'd like some of that, thank you. So that lady that just put the black-eyed peas on my plate is one of the servers that carries the pot around, and they make the rotation through here and ask you if you want more on your plate. They have fried potatoes, fried okra, which is delicious. You just saw me eat some of that a little bit ago. Then they have macaroni and tomatoes and black-eyed peas. Really cool. I love the atmosphere here. It's so unique. Now, a lot of restaurants buy license plates to give it a roadhouse feel. And believe it or not, every one of these license plates was donated by someone who came here to eat and visit from all of the other states. There's one from California right down there by my nephew Ezra. Illinois, Alabama, Wisconsin, Mississippi. So cool. Wyoming, wow. And then right there, believe it or not, is a license plate from Hawaii. That's how famous this place is. It's really cool. I love it every time I come here. The food is awesome. Now this right here, this delicious looking stuff is jowl bacon. That is cut from the jowls of the hog. I'm gonna have a couple slices of this. I treated them to it as well. The rest of this is for my dad. So that's for him. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. What was your guys' experience? Was it good?
It was great.
Okay. All right. Good deal.